Hello guys, today we'll talk about new phone is Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Before begin, don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to receive all videos. Number 1, the body measures 161.3 x 75.3 x 9.4 mm, and the phone weight 229 gram and have IP68 dust waterproof up to 1.5 meter for 30 minutes. Number 2, the screen. The screen here is LPO AMOLED display with size of 6.73 inches and a resolution of 1440 x 3200 pixels and come with refresh rate 120 Hz, brightness reach to 3200 nits. Number 3, the processor. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite. This means you can play games as PUBG Mobile Smooth, Ultra Extreme, which means 120 frames per second, and same thing in Call of Duty Low, Ultra FPS, and other games with one from best experience. And the phone come with stereo speakers, system clear and loud. And before entering the fourth point, I hope you don't forget to do like and subscribe, activate the notification bell. Number 4, the camera. There are 4 camera here. The main camera wide in this phone 50 megapixel. The second camera 50 megapixel telephoto, the third camera periscope telephoto 200 megapixel, and the fourth camera 50 megapixel. Take beautiful pictures as you see and record video 8K 30 frames per second, 4K 60 frames per second, and front camera wide 32 megapixel and the camera record video 4K 60 frames per second. Battery. The battery size is 6000 mAh, a big battery with charger 90-watt charge 50% in 15 minutes and 80-watt wireless charge. Number 5, the price of Xiaomi 15 Ultra is $1,099 version 256GB 12GB RAM and 512GB 16GB RAM. Price is $1199 and 1TB 16GB RAM is $1,299. Thank you to watch to the end of video. Don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.